Yes, sir. Visible now.
Visible, sir.
Yes, sir, now visible.
Okay. And my sound is coming to you properly,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
or
sir.
there is any
No,
disturbance?
sir. No disturbance.
Yes.
No
Okay,
disturbance.
it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Who came just now, do your attendance, go to chat and write present, sir. Out of 39, 36 did the attendance. That means out of 38. Write present, sir. Okay, 37. One is remaining. Number 1A, which is highlighted on your screen. You math को यो question हामीले गरिसकेका थियौँ.
Yes, sir.
Next one, wait, some of you send screenshot of that to me, but others did not send. Some others. So number 1A. Please mute yourself. Now for solution of the C number, where diagonal, then we know the property of diagonals of square are perpendicular each other. दुईटै diagonal equal पनि हुन्छन् र दुईटै diagonal को बीचको angle, this construction equal हुन्छन् दुईटै diagonals. Who read the end? Okay, I am going to mute as like yesterday. Either I think till now attendance of some of go to chat and write 6 student in total 45 student. Chat and write present, sir. Okay, geometry or with interactive tool. This is the introduction of. Also, I described about it. This is given here in help to drag the top of compass to draw an arc. Sorry, left hand or arm, right arm to drag for locking or unlocking. को लागि necessary हुनाले यो help मा यहाँ दिएको छ. For question number B, sorry C, in centimeter, diagonal को length 5. So at first we have to draw it and which is perpendicular to the PR. Perpendicular हुने diagonal पनि draw गर्नुपर्ने. So two things we have to do here. One is length of the diagonal is also 5.8 and angle between these things we have to remember here. At first, draw line segment 8 centimeter from 0 to 5.8 P and another whose length is 0.8. Sorry, it is diameter. Now, important thing what we have to do here is we have to draw perpendicular गर्नुपर्ने हो. For that, take compass, put needle in P मा राखे पनि हुन्छ. Move the tip of arc more than half of it. यसको हाफ भन्दा बढी more than half of it. यो PR को हाफ कहाँनिर होला लगभग हामी इमेजिनेसन गर्न सक्छौँ. भएको ठाउँमा यहाँनिर हाफ होला भनेर इमेजिनेसन गर्न सक्छौँ. त्यसपछि योभन्दा बढी जति साइड एन्ड डाउनवार्ड बिफोर कटिङ द आर्क लक द कम्पास. कम्पासलाई यहाँनिर लक गर. सो द्याट आर्क रिमेन्स र माथिपट्टि यहाँनिर draw the top of compass. Compass को top. Similarly, draw same arc downward. यसको लागि यो कम्पासलाई तलपट्टि मुभ गर. Move it down. Draw the arc. कम्पास को पेन्सिललाई तल point P also point P बाट पनि त्यही ड्रा गर्नुपर्ने हो. So move the needle at point P. Point P भने जहाँनिर P लेखेको छ त्यहाँनिर होइन. At the end of segment PR. That is point. Take pencil to the previous arc. By using this compass, you may draw it. Yesterday I already described about it. If you are in mobile phone and you are able to make 2 windows in your mobile phone, you can do it in mobile. Half window मा यसलाई राख्नु पर्यो, half window मा zoom लाई राख्नु पर्यो. You can put zoom. Zoom को window लाई half मा अनि बाँकी half मा match pad. त्यसरी. Okay. Up to now, is there any problem? If there is problem, you may write in chat. No, sir. Are you hearing me properly? Okay, there is no problem and you are hearing me properly. Okay. So intersection of these two arcs is यो दुईटा आर्क को जुन इंटरसेक्शन हुने पोइन्टहरु छ यो दुईटालाई जोइन गर्ने लाइन छ. So now take scale tool. तलबाट scale tool ल्याऊ. Put it vertically. Line. यसको दुईटा इन. We are on point of intersection or a bit mistake is there. Now draw the line. Either you may draw dotted line. Okay, I am going to draw here dotted line. Similar line or solid line. Okay. On your copy or on your screen. Now you can check the distance from center to R or center P सम्मको distance र center बाट R can check it by locking it. यसलाई लक गरेर यसरी हेर्दा coil from the center a bit mistakenly a bit millimeters को half millimeter. This is the half of PR. If we'll draw half of PR upward and half of PR downward, सेन्ट्रल पोइन्ट छ सेन्ट्रल पोइन्टबाट हामीले आर्क आधा आर्क माथिपट्टि काट्यौँ आधा आर्क तल्लोपट्टि काट्यौँ भने डटेड लाइनमा तल र माथिको दुईटै आर्क जोडेर फुल आर्क फुल लेन्थ बन्छ. सो ड्र दिस पेन्सिल टु अपवर्ड यो माथितिर मुभ गरेर आफ्टर माथिपट्टिको आर्क बनिसक्यो तल ल्याऊ. नाउ ड्र दिस. So this total vertical length is PR is 5.8, upper length from center is 2.9 and downward length is also it. यो चेक गर्दा पनि हुन्छ नगर्दा पनि हुन्छ because यो 5.8 छँदैछ. So now join R. P लाई यो point of intersection सँग माथि जोड, R सँग पनि join गर अनि R देखि square एउटा square आउने. For that again we have to take the scale. यहाँ राख्नु पर्यो. Draw the line lower point of intersection and to upper point of intersection. Draw the line here. यहाँबाट यसरी line draw गर. Mistake नहुने गरी draw गर्न try गर. यो अलि माथि आयो. Okay. Now it's opposite side also. यसको opposite side मा पनि त्यही गर. Take scale. Okay. Similarly, do same thing for two other remaining sides. दुईटा यो P देखि तलतिर यहाँ पनि स्केल राखेर यसरी नै ड्रा गर. Put it to the required side. चाहिएको ठाउँमा ल्याउनु पर्यो. चाहिएको ठाउँमा ल्याइसकेपछि ड्रा गर. Okay, now draw the line here. Do same thing to opposite side. So in this way, we the square P Q R and is this clear to you? If it is clear, write. Okay. Okay, it's okay. So it's simple drawing. First we have to draw two diagonals, then the sides. Okay, thank you. Okay, can I clear this one? Then we'll move to question number 2 because question number D is similar. Question number C, दुईटै similar छन्. Here length of diagonal is given, name is not given. We should give them in question number A. We can give name ourselves. In question number D also we have to give name ourselves. In B and C names are given to us. Now next question is a rectangle ABCD having lengths of adjacent sides circle length 11 by 8.5 छ. Similar thing is there in circle length 7 छ. अनि XY को side length 4 centimeters. That means both are similar. We can do any one. And after that rectangle one side and another diagonal is given. So any two of these two will do here. C will do afterward because A and C are similar. This one we are going to do at first. Okay. In which QR is 3.6 centimeter and diagonal PR is 6 centimeter. QR at first draw this line segment QR whose length is 3.6 centimeter. Clear it and start new construction. Length of QR is QR at first by using scale first. Okay, we'll rejoin afterward. It is saying time is 10 minutes. Don't forget to rejoin for a few minutes. Okay, At first, draw line segment whose length is start from 0 . Oh, sorry. Sound is coming now. Are you hearing me? Stick in my mic. I muted because of background sound and it remains same. Sorry for that. To draw 90°. I think you know how to draw 90°. Gaurav, is there any other problem? You raise the hand. Any problem you may say to me. Okay, no problem. So after the हामीले 90° ड्रा गर्यौं फर्स्टमा 60° त्यसपछि 120 यहाँ क्यू पोइन्टबाट अपवर्ड लाइन ड्रा गरेर जसले so draw this angle now. Draw it as your wish, but if needed we have to draw it again. Now next thing is length of PR. Length of PR को sorry 6 cm not 5.8. Length of PR is all this 6 cm from point R. हामीसँग P point छैन. We have point R. अनि P कतातिर हुन्छ भनेको थियौं 6 cm. P यतातिर हुन्छ. Where my R बाट यता काट्नु पर्ने हो. यतातिर for example like this. यसरी काट off. Oh, this arc is not erasable. This is the fault of unpaid version. यो अनपेड भर्जन भए हुनाले यस्तो भयो इट यो आर्क हामीले हातले ड्रा गरेको आर्क इरेज गर्न सकिँदो रहेछ बाँकी कुरा क्लियर भयो नाउ टेक आस एन्ड दिस पुट निडल अफ कम्पास टु 0 6 6 सेन्टिमिटर एज मच मेजरमेन्ट लिने कोसिस गर ओके